One of the major difference between those that takes forex trading as a gamble and those that takes it as a business is journaling. Now, a lot of people do underestimate the power of journaling, but let me give you an instance. Let's say you play sporty bets. You just go to the website of sporty bet or maybe one closed shop around your area to play a game. You play 20 games, right? And these 20 games, one caught the ticket, you throw away the ticket. That's money, right? Now, you play another one, another ticket caught, you throw away it. Now, you will continue doing it until one day, one ticket, one game now enter. You start rejoicing that you have won. No, you have not won because you forgot to actually record the previous losses or the previous tickets you have thrown away, right? You forgot to record all those losses because these are money, okay? You forgot to record them. And sometimes those money you throw away and you're not aware might be even be bigger than the win you are rejoicing, okay, for. It might be bigger than it. Now, but when it comes to forex trading or crypto trading, anything trading, okay, when it comes to that, you journaling your trade, each time you take a trade, they are end in loss, okay? You write it down, write the reason for the loss, the strategy you use, and all of those stuffs, right? And the pay as well. Now, if you take another trade that ends in profit, you still write them down, right? The pairs and your bias and everything. This is what you'll be doing every day or every time you take a trade, right? Until at the end of the month, you now calculate, you now check how many losses you have taken and how many wins you have taken to know whether you are actually a profitable trader in that particular month, or maybe you are profitable in that particular month. And another thing, remember, in sporty bets, when you play 10 games, only one will cut the game and you throw away the ticket, right? In forex trading, when you take 9 trade or 10 trade, let's say 10 trade, right? One particular loss out of that 10 trade does not mean all the other 9 trade you end up in loss. No. Let's say you take one particular loss, you take another trade and it ended up a loss, right? Now, the rest of the other 7 or 5 trade might end up in profit. Now, because of your risk to reward, you can recover those losses you already had previously. You can recover them and even be on profit as long as you know what you are doing. You can recover everything. So if you're a trader that is not yet, considering the fact that you need to journal your trade every day, just know that you are gambling. And the earlier you know this, the better for you. And the better chances of you actually succeeding in this space. So start journaling your trade today to see the difference. If you find this video helpful, do share, hit the plus button, like this video. Peace.